Euro Aussie ranging now. So obviously struggling with this area, rejected it multiple times. It's now coming back into it and rejecting it. So I don't think this is obviously going to complete its monthly range at all. I think it is a good sign that shows the trend is weakening and most likely switching. So because of where it is in this previous area, back in July of 2020, these were all the monthly highs. So I think because price is back there and back in that recent history, same prices that it was, and it got rejected before, that's why it's rejecting now. So I do see the overall trend kind of switching to bearish. Obviously we're gonna have to wait a while. We're gonna have to wait for price to cross over this moving average. We're gonna have to wait for it to break this zone here. So again, waiting. Hurry up and wait. That is trading. So get used to that. The better I've gotten with that, the more money I've made. So it kind of is directly related. So it's okay to be patient, but you still have to be ready. So if this starts breaking lower, starts cracking this zone, then that means the bears have come in. Then you start targeting the full monthly move, which for this is 650 pips. So like in a perfect world, I mean, regardless of the timeline, if price breaks this area and then this moving average, I mean, we're going to short it. And then if it's the start of the month, you could probably get 600-700 pips. So I mean, I don't think that's going to happen yet, but maybe actually not August, but September. So kind of just future pacing myself here. That could be a massive September trade, depending on how next month plays out, obviously. But that's Euro Aussie. There's not much happening. It's mostly just ranging. I would not buy it. I think it's struggling with the zone too much. I think it had massive bullish momentum, and I think it's phasing off now. This moving average is getting closer and closer and closer. It's having a tough time with this 166 level. Hasn't broken it since early May. So that is Euro Aussie.